Instruction of outdoor LED display installation. Tools and materials. Modules. Waterproof rubber ring, cross-round head screw, 4x8. M3x10 screw. Diagonal plier. Power supply. System card. System card board. Power wire, 5 volts. 3-cord cable. 3x8 screw with gasket. Rubber hammer. Date cable. 220 volts terminals. Connector. Power supply board. Net cable. Cable tie. Cabinet frame. Step 1. Correction by the lever ruler. Put the lever ruler parallel to the x-axis. Adjust the table height to put the lever bubble in the middle. Similarly, adjust to the y-axis. Step 2. Put waterproof rubber ring. Put the rubber ring on the modules and make sure all rubber rings rightly in the slot of housing. Step 3. Ratch modules. Lay modules and make sure the direction of arrow is upward. Install frame according to cabinet size. Match the cabinet hole to module's registration mast. Match the screw hole to nut. Step 4. Adjust electric screwdriver torque. Adjust electric screwdriver torque 6 to 8 kgf.cm. Step 5. Lock screw. After putting screw between module and cabinet, turn over the modules and lever modules. If necessary, use rubber hammer to put modules tightly with cabinet frame. Step 6. Connect date cable. Connect date cable on mount of modules rightly. Step 7. Fasten 5 volts power wire. Loose the screw of socket to 2/3. Red wire to VCC port. Black wire to GND port. Then sort out the modules according to power datasheet and connect to the wire. Last, fasten the power wire to the socket. Step 8. Assemble power supply. First, fasten the power supply to a plastic plate and then fix the plate to the right position of the cabinet. Lock the grouped 5 volts power wires to the power supply terminals. Step 9. Connect 3 core power cables. Connect the power cables by 3 core cable. Link fire wire to the first port of power supply on the left, and 0 wire to the second port. Ground wire to the third port. Step 10. Install cable terminals. Fix the terminals accordingly to the cabinet and 220 volts blending post on the mount. Connect the 3-core cable to the port of 220 volts terminals. Step 11. Bundle. Use ribbon to fix grouped wires and cut unnecessary ribbons and clear lines in order. Step 12. Installing system control card. Lock in the control card to the control card plastic plate and then fix the plate to the right position of cabinet. Connect the longest ribbon cable on the leftmost to the HUB accordingly. Connect the 5-volt wire of control card to the end of power supply and place cables of control card to leftmost mount of modules from long and short, from far and near. Fix cables by ribbons. Step 13. Complete screen installation. Firstly, fix the back holder. 2. Installing cabinet from the middle side, then both sides. After installing the bottom of cabinets, the above cabinets in the same way. 3. The around cabinets are required to be fixed by stators. 4. Connect 220 volts power cable. 5. Connect network cable.